Precious. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription box and put on the notification bell so that you're notified when you post a new video. So today guys, it's all about... So the first step is to ensure that you switch off the circuit breaker, either the main one or the circuit breaker. So this is the new socket that I'm gonna use to replace the old one. And then here we have the old one. So the first thing to do, you have to counter check if there is some current flowing. Kunaweza kuwa na leakage, so you confirm first before uanze kutoa the wires. So you screw out the wires. We have three colors. Okay, the color codes are different depending on the country that you're in. For us, we have the red that is live, and then we have black that is neutral, and then we have the yellow green that's earth. Yes, so after umetoa, you use the same colors kuweka kwa hiyo ingine. So the colors are numbered on the socket, I mean the terminals. Okay, so kuna L that is represents live, mali unaweka the red wire, and then we have N that is neutral, mali unaweka the black, and then we have the yellow green unaweka kwa the earthen. Iko na ka sign kanaka two lines tunaenda chini, ka kwanza kakubwa, then kingine kapili kadogo kuliko the previous, hivyo. Yes, my cameraman didn't zoom, so amgeona hizo, but anyway, next time I'm gonna be get a better camera person. So yes, so unaweka the wires according to the colors. It's that simple, it's not hard. So get along, let's see how it's gonna be. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And guys, remember this video is brought to you courtesy of Tetra Tech Electronics. So if you need any type of electronics to buy, you can contact us on the number that I'm gonna put there on my post. We sell, we fix, we repair. We are located along my avenue, so please contact us on 0711659920. We also sell honey, African honey kutoka Ukambani, the real one, so if you need it, also call us on the number right there on my post. Okay, so guys, while you're putting the wires, please ensure they are tight. Ukisha screw, you make sure una pull on kama inatoka, and then make sure that hakuna kopa iko nje. So make sure iko ndani yote, and then una screw kabisa. Sawa, I mean unafunga kabisa. Yes guys, so let's see.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of
guys, we're done. The next thing, switch on the circuit breaker and confirm if you've connected well. So live should indicate that there is some current, but kwa neutral and earth should not indicate anything. So yes guys, if you have liked the video, please make sure you like it, share, comment and subscribe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.